pasca kan di itu
Bisa nggak kasih
Semua buka.
mulai ya om langsung ya
saya naik urung kok.
Ano nun di Mir? File.
Sorry ya. Aku rawani ojo li.
Bu, sik tenang kok.
biar aku sisan pressure sing gono sing belum merasa part
Mikro.
Sisan bukanya sekalian ya.
Bulan aku sisan.
PPT kan?
Iya.
aku rampung aku sedikit
Apa?
padahal kan kemarin baru 4 orang ya nggak salah Alimas malas karena awan yang Asen Gary ya loh dan ini sing dari dengan intang oh
Dewi.
oh dewe kuwi ini paksa-paksa
Bisa nggak, Miss?
Okay, good morning all.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Thank you. Before we learn about this, before we start, I will attendance first. Yes.
Yes, Miss.
First, Amir Fahrudin.
Present, Miss.
So, Sarah Nabila. Dia Tania. Ulangi. Terus yang Pak Tani itu orang dia Tani dulu. Si Sarah menghindari giliran gue.
Dia tanya.
Sama ada Tani. Okay, before we start, I will attend first. First, Amir Fahrudin.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Sarah Nabila. Dia Tania.
Present.
Taufan Zaldito.
Present.
Fatimah. Present. Adinda Husnul.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Alright. The audience is present. We know what to do. This is the title of our lesson today. It means kita tahu apa yang harus kita lakukan. Dan if and who Okay. Alright. The other present. We know what to do. This is the title of our lesson today. It means kita tahu apa yang harus dilakukan. Who, how to give the suggestion and how to get the result and obligation. Okay, the next is this chapter. title we know what to do. It explains that throughout this chapter, we learn to recognize what we shall do and what we must not do in life. This is very important as it helps of us behave politely and orderly. Mas Amir, tolong diartikan.
Yang mana, Miss?
Semuanya.
Yang ini dibaca tolong.
Bab ini berjudul We Know What to Do, yang artinya kita tahu apa yang harus dilakukan. Nah, bab ini membantu kita belajar bagaimana cara memberikan saran, himbauan, dan menyampaikan aturan atau kewajiban dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. In English, this chapter title We Know What to Do. It explains that through this chapter, we learn to recognize what we should do and what we must not do in life. This is very important as it helps us behave politely and orderly.
Okay, thank you Mas Amir. The next is tema ini kan penting karena dalam kehidupan sehari-hari kita tuh harus menerapkan 3 poin ini. Yang pertama apa?
Apa yang sebaiknya kita lakukan?
Yang kedua?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan?
Yang ketiga?
Apa yang tidak boleh kita lakukan?
Okay, thank you. Next, we will learn about to give suggestion. Apa itu to give suggestion?
Untuk memberikan saran.
Ya, benar. And to state role and obligation. What is?
Untuk menyatakan peraturan dan kewajiban serta memberi saran.
Yes, good. Ketika memberikan saran kepada seseorang, kita dapat menggunakan kata-kata yang pertama yaitu ada you should, yang kedua yaitu you should not. And the next is this is example for giving suggestion. Boleh dibacakan Mbak Sarah?
Sampai akhir nih.
Iya.
I'm sure you are all ready to use English with me and your friend. You should not be ashamed to use English with me. You should not be ashamed to speak and write to each other in English. You should be sure that you can do it because I will always help you.
Oke, thank you Mbak Sarah. Di sini ada berapa giving suggestion yang ada di penggalan cerita ini?
3.
Oke, benar. Ada di you should not be ashamed to use English with me. You should not be ashamed to speak and write to each other in English. You should be sure that you can do it because I will always help you. The next is to state rules and obligation. Kata-kata yang bisa digunakan yaitu yang pertama we must atau kita harus, yang kedua we must not, kita tidak harus. Nah, ini adalah contoh penggalan cerita. Ini juga bisa kita lihat di sini tuh untuk menentukannya yang ada we must. Ini.
Yes.
Apakah sudah paham?
Yes.
Oke, ini juga sama ya?
Yes.
Oke.
Yes.
The next is di sini Miss mau kalian menjawab pertanyaan ini, fill in the blanks. Paham?
Yes.
Jadi satu orang itu satu soal.
Ya benar, satu orang tuh ngerjain satu soal.
Iya. Dan mulai dari Mas Amir ya nomor 1, Mbak Sarah nomor 2, Mbak Dea nomor 3, Mas Dito nomor 4, Mbak Fatimah nomor 5, Mbak Dinda nomor 6.
Mas Amir nomor 7.
Dijawab langsung ya Mas.
Yeah, Miss. You blah 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 help your parents at home. You should help your parents at home
Why?
because our parents is important for us.
Yeah.
Agree.
And the next, Mbak Sarah.
We blah 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 arrive on time for the school ceremony. We should arrive on time for the school ceremony.
Okay.
Because in Monday we should arrive in school ceremony.
And the next, Mbak Dea.
You blah 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 bring your ID card to the exam. The answer is you must bring your ID card to the exam
Why?
because to
Kewajiban
know,
ya?
yeah.
Student must not cheat during a test.
Why, Mas? Ya apa jawaban?
Karena siswa tidak boleh nyontek.
Oke, good. Mbak Fatimah, the next.
Number 5, he blah 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 wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle. He must karena ya harus karena naik motor harus pakai helm, kalau enggak bakal jadi yang enggak diinginkan. Gitu
Ya,
Miss.
benar sekali.
You blah 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 eat too much junk food is not healthy. You should not eat too much junk food. It's not healthy because you will get sick.
Okay, thank you about the answer. The next kan number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ada yang bisa membantu?
Yeah.
Saya
Everyone blah 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 put their trust in the bin. Everyone must put their trust in the bin because it will get dirty.
Number 8, you blah 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 talk loudly in the library. You should not talk loudly in the library because you can mengganggu orang lain. Disturb the others.
Any?
I must do my homework before playing games. Why? Karena harus mengerjakan kewajiban sebelum bermain.
Okay, good.
We blah 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 respect our teachers and friends. We should respect our teachers and friends.
Okay.
Because kita harus menghormati guru dan dan teman kita. Maaf misalnya nomor 2 ternyata Mas.
Oh, Mas.
Mas, Mbak.
Oh, oke. Jadi, surat itu digunakan untuk aturan atau tidak ada paksaan. Untuk Mas itu adalah kewajiban. Apakah bisa dipahami? Oke. Jika sudah paham,
Terima kasih sama.
thank you for attention today. If I any mistake, I'm sorry. So I hope you can learn about this material today. And be enough in this material. I say, let's say Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
The last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Ayo.